up, guys? Welcome back for another video, and in this one I'm super excited because it's a haul video and I'm hauling stuff, beauty products from Ross and Burlington. And let me tell you something, like, I had no idea that they had so many gorgeous eyeshadows and just all kinds of beauty products at both Ross and Burlington. And I'm assuming that they have them at TJ Maxx and everywhere else too. And now I just want to go everywhere and buy everything because OMG, like, oh my gosh, like, I was so excited to try this stuff. Like, you have no idea. But let's go right ahead and get into this video and I'll show you guys exactly what I got. So the first place I'm going to show you guys my finds from is Burlington. And like, I'm so just like, I'm shook. Okay, I'm shook. Let's start there because I got this huge set of makeup brushes and just like a bunch of makeup stuff. It's a 17-piece makeup application essentials package. I don't know, but just like, what? This is made by Beauty Muse Pro, and it comes with 9 brushes. It comes with a razor for your eyebrows. It comes with eyelash curlers, 2 tweezers, 3 sponges, and this little, what is this called? This is called an eye sponge, but this one is not a sponge per se. It's like the little, what is it? It's like the one that's made out of like rubber or something. I've never tried this before, but I have seen it. So when I saw it in this pack, I was like, yes! But the best part though, look at the price. $9.99. It was on clearance for $9.99. Like, when I say I was shook when I saw this and I had to have it, oh my gosh. Like, I was already in the market for new brushes anyway because I was going to go on Amazon. Like, I already had them in my Amazon cart. And I was watching Juicy Jazz on YouTube. Shout out to Juicy Jazz. I love her videos. But I was watching one of her videos and she had a brush set from Amazon. So I went on there and looked it up and, you know, found that set. And I was about to order them. But when I saw this, I was like, what? It comes with the sponges too and 2 pairs of tweezers and just like all this stuff. There's like a precision tweezer set and there's a slanted one, and OMG, I just shook. Then I have been wanting to try this e.l.f. mineral infused face primer, and I was actually looking at this in Target before I went to Burlington, and then it was $6 at Target and I found it in Burlington for $2.99. So OMG. So I was like, I gotta get this because I was already gonna get it anyway. So I figured, why not save $3 and pay half the price and get the exact same thing. Yay! And then I wanted to try some lashes, and they had so many lashes in there, and I don't know, I've never actually applied lashes before, but I want to start using them. So I was like, let me find something that looks kind of natural and that don't break the bank, just in case I don't know what I'm doing. So I got this one, and this is Beauty Moment by Jackie and Lauren, and there's 5 pairs of lashes in this box, and it also comes with a felt tip liquid eyeliner and lash glue. So there's everything that you need in here to complete your look, and I am super excited about this too. And the last thing that I got from Burlington was this Profusion Natural Palette, and I thought the colors in here were so gorgeous. And on top of that, it was only $2.99. Like, what? Like, so hyped. Like, you have no clue. This palette, it says, is normally $6, and I got it for $2.99. I'm sorry. I got it for $2.99. So super excited about this palette. Can't wait to start creating some nice looks with this. I love this like terracotta shade here. Like, I already know that's going to be one of my favorites. I just thought this was really nice, and I wasn't going to leave it there for $3. Hello? So $23.28 at Burlington. So next I went to Ross, and they had so many gorgeous eyeshadow palettes. Like, when I say I was so surprised, like I go in Ross, and I don't go in Burlington that much. I'm not even gonna say I don't go in Burlington that much, but I do go in Ross and TJ Maxx and all those stores. But I've never actually looked at their beauty products before. I don't know why. Like it didn't even occur to me to look at that in that kind of store. But now I'm hooked. Like I'm on it. Major key. Okay, let's say that. So I got 2 eyeshadow palettes at Ross. Each of them was $4.99. Like $4.99. Can we just take a minute? Cause what? Like $4.99. This one is by Nicole Miller, and it's the Undercover Shadow Palette. And these colors are gorgeous. Like I cannot wait to get into this palette and start creating some looks with it. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I'm so hyped, if you can't tell. So the next one I got is by Paris Hilton. It's another eyeshadow palette. Again, it was $4.99. And this is the Rose Gold eyeshadow palette by Paris Hilton. And this also comes with a little brush. And I know that it's going to look great on my skin tone. I feel like these colors would look good on any skin tone because they're just, especially anybody that has like warm undertones. Like I feel like this is like the palette. This is like one of the palettes you should probably have or something similar because, yeah, I feel like this is major key right now. Like I just can't. I'm so excited. So Rose Gold palette from Paris Hilton. So again, these were both $4.99. Each of these. I paid a total of $10. So guys, like I cannot wait. Like I'm about to take my makeup off and just make a video using these palettes because I just can't wait to dig into them and try them out and see how great they look and just create a lot of different looks that I would not normally do. Like I cannot wait. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section if you shop at Ross or Burlington or TJ Maxx or any of those stores for your beauty products, if you've tried them. They also have a lot of brushes and like all kinds of stuff in there. So if you've tried their products before, or specifically if you tried Nicole Miller or Paris Hilton shadows, let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you feel like you should subscribe, click my face right here. If you want to watch my next video, click right here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.